Good morning, I'm Faye Thompson. This morning we're going to do a family recipe and a tagine. I went to Morocco one time with my daughter and two granddaughters. I had a granddaughter going to school in France, and I was going over to see her, and she wanted us to meet her in Morocco. Well, I told my daughter I would go, and got my next to the youngest granddaughter, Mary Elizabeth. We're going to take her with us too. My daughter got her tickets, and she came told me, said, well, we got tickets ready to go to Morocco, and I still didn't register on me the difference in the name. I said, oh, I've been wanting to see Princess Grace's home. She said, Mom, we're not going to Monaco, we're going to Morocco. I said, oh, I don't know if I want to do that. She's too late, you already have a ticket. So we went to Morocco, and when we got there, they cooked in these tagines. My daughter-in-law picked this one up for me. If you were in Morocco, they would be cooking lamb probably in it, but I don't care much for lamb, so we're going to cook chicken and rice in it. I told my daughter, I said, oh, let's buy some of these. These are in ceramics. They do a lot of ceramics over there. And she said, oh, Mom said they'd be broken before we got there. And I said, maybe not, you know. So she got some of them and I got some of them, and we got home and a lot of them were broken. But anyway, we got home with a few of them. Now, you cannot cook in these, they say. This is what they serve on the tables to you. So let's get on with our recipe. We're going to spray this in a little oil. And this is a very simple recipe. Now, you can use any kind of chicken you want to. I'm using some chicken breast, and I'm just going to layer it in the bottom of this pan. A lot of times I'll use thighs, chicken thighs here instead of the breast, but either one you want to use is fine. Now, the next thing we're going to do is mix up the mixture that goes in there, and there is poured over it. 1 cup of rice, 1 teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 can of cream of mushroom soup. There's a lot of chicken recipes out there, let me tell you. I like this one. It's simple and it's very good. I think there's 15 ounces in there, 14.5 ounces of chicken broth. Okay, we just want to mix that up a little bit. It's ready to pour over our chicken. This is kind of tall. If I have to move the rack, I will, but let's see what, no, it's going to go in there fine. When you take this out of the oven, if it looks a little dry, you just add your little chicken broth to it. Just add whatever you want to. And if you're going to warm it up, have some left over and warmed up, and it seems a little thick to you, just add your little chicken broth. It'll be fine. Won't hurt it a bit. That's about the consistency you want it right there. I think maybe different vessels that you cook this in makes a little bit of difference on how dry it is when you take it out of the oven. Now that our chicken is cooked in the tagine, I hope you try this, because I really do like the flavor of it. And I hope you like it as much as we do. And I hope to see you in another video. Thank you for watching.